So yes, bitches, I am making pork chops tonight. I'm meal prepping. So tonight I'm gonna make two, and then tomorrow I'm gonna just bake the rest. But tonight I'm gonna pan sear. So as you can see, these have been they've been marinating for the past couple of hours. So I'm so sorry for the community who doesn't eat pork. Like, I'm better than this, but I had cravings. Thank you. So you're gonna put some pork chops into a pan that's already on medium heat. I got it on 6, and I also got some water boiling because I'm also going to boil some or steam some veggies. So here we go, bitches. Now, when you are cooking these pork chops, you're going to sear them. So you're gonna let them stay. You're gonna let them stay like this for 3 to 5 minutes. Um, I mean, I really don't want to hold y'all up and waste your time. I'm having an IA day. I hope y'all having a greater day. Um, I'm trying to get my hot water fixed. So I've just been dealing with that shit with my landlord and being ghosted when it's cold as hell. So that's cool. Um, but I'm going to make me a nice meal. I apologize again for eating pork. I'm better than this, but am I? Am I better than this? I don't know. But we're not going to flip these bitches. We're going to let them do their thing. And in 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to check back in with y'all and we're going to see how they look. Wow, y'all, really get into this. I'm about to start basing it. But I just want y'all to see how it looks. It looks great, and the shit gonna be good for the day and tomorrow. Period. Yeah, I got this is literally leaned up on a damn rice box. Like, come on, this like. I just want y'all to see. I'm going to get a tripod. Please don't talk about me. I was raised better. But I just want y'all to see how this is. This garlic butter is really doing her thing. But again, we are getting out the mud, and I have 2 rice boxes stacked the fuck up. But we're gonna let this cook some more while this is basting, and we're gonna put the vegetables in the boiling water. All right. Oh, honey, let me tell you something. At some point, I'm gonna stop eating pork. That point has just not gotten here today. Okay. That would have been really sexy and really like everything if I had did a perfect flip, but you know, whatever. Um, I'm about to throw these bitches in the stove for just a moment, just to sear them up a bit, and yeah, these are pork chops. I don't recommend this for my bad bitches, but I just wanted to kind of sear them just a little bit, make sure they really good, cause I don't want to be eating nobody's raw meat. I'm not that kind of woman. I'm not that kind of girl. So they are in the stove doing their thing. I'm gonna take them out in a second. The stove is on 300. I have the door open because I just want to look at them because they look good. I apologize to any pig like disrespected in this, but like I said, I'm eating healthy, and this is what it is. All right, period. I totally forgot about the veggies, but I am boiling some squash and broccoli. I like my vegetables like this. Oh shit. I like my vegetables like this just because I just do, and it's easier for me. I'm gonna drain this water, and in light of not feeling like washing other dishes, I'm just going to. Why this shit ain't boiling? I'm just going to season them in this pan and then put them in the plastic pan to put in the fridge. Period. All right, y'all. I'm finna let these girls rest. Um, and yeah, I'm gonna let them rest, and I'm gonna contemplate when I'm gonna stop eating pork. So I'll get back to y'all with the information. Bye. All right, y'all. So we have some beautiful broccoli and squash, and it's cooking in butter and garlic. I'm gonna add some parsley. Now I know this is, I'm cooking it in a weird pan, but I just really don't feel like washing extra dishes. So just mind your business. Okay. Alright. So then I'm gonna add some garlic powder because y'all know me. Period. This is gonna get stirred up also. So just live your lives, okay? I'm making rice tomorrow. I had already had some did I already put this on already? Oh shit. I'm putting parsley on again. My bad. I am making rice tomorrow, so this is gonna have rice. I'm adding rosemary. This is gonna have rice added to it too. The reason why I'm not doing the rice nights because I don't have the fucking willpower or maturity to not eat it. I already ate a lot of carbs today because I had some pita, And I'm gonna add a little splash of Tony Chachere's more spice. Boom boom. Let's get into it. Let's stir this shit. I already had some bread products today, and if I make rice tonight, I know I'm gonna eat it. So I'm gonna make it tomorrow and then give myself a, you know, a fair chance initiative. So I'm trying to stir this, but I'm not doing rice tonight because I already had some carbs today, and I'm so fucking childish and hungry that I know I'm gonna get some rice. So I'm gonna cook it tomorrow, and then I'm gonna add this to the rice tomorrow, and then for the rest of the week I have rice. So I'll show y'all that video tomorrow though. Y'all know what it is. I'm trying to be more productive. I said I was gonna post more, so that's what the fuck we finna do. So yeah. This is doing this thing. I'm letting it cook in the seasonings. I added some rosemary. And now I'm just gonna let this do this thing for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and plate this shit. I'm ready. I'm hungry. Now this plate looks stupid as hell because I didn't add the rice to the plate. But like I told you, I don't have the willpower to not eat rice. But here is the pork chop with the steamed veggies. And tomorrow when I do the oven baked pork chops, y'all will see the rice. Again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video and thank you for the support thus far.